Hey everybody, today we are doing 61 times 37 using the standard algorithm. So the 6 and the 1 are together, 61, the 3 and the 7 are together, 37. They're never going to fight against their own team. But the 7 is going to multiply against the 1 and the 6, and then the 3 will multiply against the 1 and the 6. Let's just do the 7 first. So I like to just cover this up. 7 times 1 and then 7 times 6. Go ahead and try that. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Great. You're finished with the 7. 61 times 7 is 427. And now you can just cross that 7 off like that and come down. We're going to do the 3. But that 3 is really a 30. So you're going to put a 0 here. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So 61 times 3 is 183. 61 times 30 is 183 with the 0 on the end. 1,830. And then to find your final answer, you're just going to add them all together. So go ahead and do that, and then you can check it with me. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,257.